Want to level up your Capcut game and create consistent, eye-catching content? Today, I'm going to show you how to craft your own custom template in Capcut, saving you time and boosting your brand. First, open Capcut and start a new project. Import the media you plan on using as the foundation for your template. This could be a simple background video, a static image, or even just a blank canvas. Now, add the elements you want to include in your template. This could be text overlays, transitions, stickers, sound effects, or even preset filters. For this example, I am adding a title card. Customize these elements to your liking. Choose fonts, colors, and sizes that match your brand aesthetic. Position everything strategically on the screen. Make sure the text is readable, the visuals are appealing, and the overall design aligns with your style. Next, add any transitions you desire between clips or elements. Capcut has a wide array of built-in transitions, where you can create your own unique transitions using keyframes and effects. Experiment with different options to find what works best for your template. Don't forget to add any other creative elements you want in your template. This could be things like stickers, animated text, video effects, or audio enhancements. Be mindful of the overall design and avoid cluttering the screen with too many elements. Once you're happy with your template, review the project to ensure everything looks and sounds the way you want it to. Pay close attention to timing, placement, and overall flow. Make any necessary adjustments to perfect your design. Now for the magic, click on the Save Template button, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. A window will appear prompting you to add a title, description, and hashtags to your template. This helps other users find your template if you choose to make it public. Write a clear title that reflects the template's purpose. In the description, explain how the template can be used and what kind of content it's best suited for. Choose relevant hashtags to increase its visibility. Then, set if you want it to public or keep it private and only for yourself. Finally, click Post to save your template. Capcut will upload your template to its library, where you can access it anytime you need it. And that's it. You've successfully created your own custom template in Capcut. Now you can use it to create consistent, high-quality content in a fraction of the time. Start creating amazing content today.